Let's run an invoice in standard time. You can see first of all that I'm in the timesheet. There's 6 tabs along the top here. The timesheet is where you normally put your time in, and these are the entries. What I'm going to do before running an invoice is to switch over to the time log. This is essentially a list of all of the entries in the time sheet. So it's the same data, just organized a little differently. And so what I'm going to do, first of all, is filter this view by a client so that I can see all of the records that have been logged for that particular client. And I'm going to go here to date range and look at all of them for this month. Okay, so these are the records that I hope to put out in my invoice. Okay, so over in the billing tab is actually where the invoices reside. But just switching back here to the time log, doesn't matter, I can go back and forth either one. But I'm going to go to the insert menu and then choose new invoice. And from there I will then choose the client. Optionally, you can choose a project if you want to break down the invoice into smaller detail. But I'm just going to go from the first of the month through to the end of the month. You can see here the subtotal comes up when I do that to let me kind of know how much I'm going to be billing. The template I like to use is the detailed template. It's going to create an invoice file with this invoice number. Of course, you can change that. But then let's click Save and Close to create that. When I do, Microsoft Word comes up and shows me the invoice file. This is actually just an RTF file that I can save to the hard drive, or I can save as a PDF. And you see the total down here. In this invoice, you can put your company logo and kind of change this up and add some color and spice it up a little bit because it is just an RTF, and you can edit those invoice templates as well. So just wanted to show you how to create an invoice. Pretty simple.